What's diddly done pop? Sorry. What's diddly done popping, my good old friends? Welcome to another video of mine. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing in this one. I'm just gonna be animating for no actual reason. I only have my fingers because I can't find my pen, which I use for the drawing tablet. So let's go right into it, boys. Might be a bit quiet because I'm gonna concentrate. Okay, let's draw an apple. Good old apple. I am a terrible animator with my finger. Memes. I don't even know what I'm doing. You know what, let's just use some tools now, actually. Wait, what? No, I don't want to do that. I'm using my finger to do all this, so if it turns out wrong, then I have myself to blame. Literally, I wanted to destroy anything it touches. Gotta make that smaller. I'll have to use my pinky for this one. Shit. Shit. Yeah, that will suffice. No, I don't want to rub it out. This is just gone horribly. Wrong. Kinda looks professional, but at the same time doesn't. Let's just cut that one. There's some art. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Goodbye.